Hi, I'm Akash, the CEO of Wisedoc, and someone who deeply admires the role of career advisor at a university. Before I built my tech company, I was a student, just like thousands of other students you support every day. For my career preparation, I took help of my career advisors at Oregon State University for interview preparation, resume preparation, and many more. I always felt like if only there was a tool to help with the basics and allow the career advisors to help with something more, something which AI can't help with. Which is why I built Wisedoc, not to replace a career advisor, but to complement them and empower them. Wisedoc helps with structure, resume preparation, resume review, cover letter preparation, LinkedIn profile preparation, interview preparation, career exploration, and many more, while the advisors can help with something AI can't. You can help with something AI can't. You can help with fighting imposter syndrome. You can help students with dealing with stress, anxiety, and the rejections which happen during the career preparation. You mentor, you listen, and you believe in them when they can't even believe in themselves. Wisedoc helps with the structure, but you shape the story. The combination of Wisedoc and a career advisor is the perfect blend for the career services, and it completes the ecosystem. Let me tell you how it works. In Wisedoc, once you prepare a resume or upload an existing one, you can do the AI resume review, AI cover letter preparation, AI LinkedIn builder, and AI career exploration to understand the type of roles students can apply for, and AI interview preparation. And all this can happen in parallel within few clicks. Once the student completes preparation of all these documents, they can submit these documents to an advisor for a manual review if it's necessary, and then they can schedule an appointment with an advisor to meet with them and discuss about their career preparation and plans. This, as an advisor, helps your time manage better because now you get a better version of a resume, a better version of a cover letter for detailed review, and help them with the story and the content itself. If your mission is to help students at university at scale, let's talk. I would love to showcase the software to you and also understand your needs for serving your team and the students at the university. If you have veterans at university looking for help for their career preparation, let's talk. Wisedoc is one of the only software in America which is customized for veterans, for military, army, navy, and everything else. Let's build a great career services together and help the students at your university.